How's everybody doing? Sketchy Jeep here. Today we're doing something a little different. The Diamondback has a slight leak in the center portion, and I went ahead and contacted them and they sent out some seals for me to go ahead and try to replace that to see if that fixes a problem. As I was getting ready to do the removal, I thought, hey, people keep asking me why I swapped from the upper decker to the Diamondback, and one of the main reasons was the ease of removal and reinstallation of the Diamondback compared to the upper decker. So I'm going to go ahead and time myself to see how long or how quick I can go ahead and remove this. And I'm also going to try to do a reinstallation as well once I replace that seal. So scenario, I needed the bed space. I'm going to pick up a refrigerator. This is not real, of course, so I need the bed space, the height, and everything else. So let's see how quickly I can do this. Another thing is, excuse the filthiness of my get up. I'm doing some drywall right now in the house, and that's been a whole process. The YouTube videos make it seem so easy. I'm talking about you, Vancouver carpenter. You make it way easier than what it really is. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna set you up on a tripod and we're gonna time it. So let's do that. By the way, all I'm gonna use is a wrench. This is all I should need to remove it. So let's do it right now. That's it. So however long that took, that's the time it takes to remove the Diamondback cover. Now I forgot to start my actual timer on my phone, so hopefully I found a program for Adobe to show it on the screen somewhere. But that was relatively quick, and I probably could have been a little bit faster, especially if you had like a power drill or something like that. Could have sped it up a little bit. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the seal. I'm not gonna tape that or anything like that. Do it, and then we're going to time the reinstallation. All right, so I got the seal installed and we're about to do the reinstallation. So let me go ahead and pull up my timer and then we'll get that started. Time. All right, so it was 11 minutes and 30 seconds to install. Not bad. Not bad at all. That was pretty good. Even with the little hiccup with the alarm. Clearly I don't know how to work, but I figured it out, so not bad on that install time. Again, this is really applicable for any vehicle that has the upper decker. It's just not Gladiator specific. I didn't really see anybody timing themselves on YouTube, so here you have it. Quick removal, quick reinstallation. Hopefully that weather seal lasts. We'll see. I'll keep an eye on it. I'll keep you updated. So if you subscribe to the channel, you're gonna know about this. So with that being said, it's time for a giveaway. Mama, I made it. I'm at 500 subscribers. The goal is to go way beyond that. All right, so time for the giveaway. If you've been following me, if you know anything about Sketchy Jeep, it's all started with the JK about 3 or 4 years ago. And then I moved on to a JLU, which I had a blast with for about a year or two also. Then I moved on to the JT. So I purchased some things that I never got around to installing on the JL and the JK. And I'm gonna be giving those away. All right, so the first thing, Smitty built tire relocation bracket for the JL. Second thing, Terraflex relocation bracket for the JK. At the end of the month, I'm gonna be picking somebody from the comments, so go ahead and leave a comment, either typing in that I subscribe and JL or JK, so that I can pick you and give you one of these two things. So all you got to do is subscribe, leave that comment, and also go to Sketchy Jeep Instagram. Let me know that you're following me there and that you're also a subscriber, if that makes sense. And because I know I have other followers, JT owners, probably some Tacoma owners, probably some Colorado owners, so on and so forth, I also have something for you guys as well. All right, so with that being said, this is a challenge to all of my viewers. This 10-inch Warn Lightbar, if I can get 2,000 subscribers by March 15th, and you leave that comment again in this video, I will be picking one of you guys to give this Lightbar to. Now this is a pretty nice Lightbar, all right? It's discontinued, never been installed by Warn, but at the time when it was still being sold, I believe this was going for about 300 bucks. All right, it's been sitting in my garage. I don't really like the Lightbar look in my vehicle, so it's just been taking up space. So I'm gonna select one of you guys to receive this Lightbar. Again, challenge go out to you guys watching this video. 2K subscribers by March 15th. If you can do it, one of y'all get a Lightbar. I think that's a pretty good offer right there. Also, my current subscribers as well, you're not left out. Tell me that you're subscribed. I'm gonna verify all those information and I'll be picking that winner. So again, let's run through it one more time because I think it might be a little confusing. 2 original things, relocation brackets, end of the month, no number specific. Just tell me that you subscribe to the YouTube channel and the Instagram, leave a comment on both, and I'll pick one of you guys. Again, just let me know if you have a JK or a JL. The challenge to everybody else, JT owners, Tacoma owners, Colorado owners, Ranger owners, whoever, if I hit 2K by March 15th, have I been saying March? By April 15th, I will be selecting one of you guys to win this $300, I think, Warn Lightbar, if not more. I've been saying March this entire time. April 15th. April 15th, 2K subscribers, y'all win that Lightbar. All right, so that wraps it up. Y'all have a good one.